Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ching, 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 ching,
Ching, ching, ching.
What's up, Fire Squad?
We're gonna review this company right here. It's Dole, of course. I think everybody knows Dole. You know Dole, Faith? Huh? Yeah. Well, this is a crafted smoothie blend, and it's banana, mango, and berry. Now, babe, how much you think this was? I think it was under $10, right?
I think it was about like $10.50.
Okay. So it comes with 5 bags, but it's 8-ounce bags.
The part that I love is that they're individually bagged, so you don't have to worry about your fruit getting all clumped up and all that.
Oh, here's the nutrition. There is 36 grams of carbs. There is 6 grams of fiber, but you also have to add the sugar. That is a lot of carbs. But that's for a whole bag. Of course, we're gonna split the bag up. The 160 calories for the whole bag, which is good. What else it has, babe?
We always look at the potassium because Mama Kmoney, am hypokalemia, which is low in potassium. So 490 milligrams, that's pretty good.
So why don't you like matcha?
I don't know. Eliott loves matcha.
Right.
Now I'm wondering, speaking of matcha and flax seeds.
What, baby? Hold on, baby.
I'm wondering if it'll taste good with chia seeds.
Ooh. Do we have any chia seeds?
We do.
Oh, let's get them.
It's from Walmart.
It's from Walmart too. All right. Mind you, I did open a bag and I threw it in there. As you can see, it has strawberries, different berries, kiwi, ooh wee, some banana, also has mango in there. Those are the chia seeds. Now my question is, do you have to soak them first? Comment down below if you eat chia seeds. Let me know how, you know.
Eliott soaks them.
She soaks them, baby girl.
What we're gonna do is just
throw them in there.
Just throw them in.
All right, here we go.
Can I help?
Yes, you can help.
How much are we supposed to put in there? Thank you, Faith. Oh,
thank you so much. That's a teaspoon.
Thank you.
Good.
What's it say on the bag? How much we're supposed to use? You're not trying to do more than that?
Let's see.
It says two tablespoons, babe. One more.
Okay, one more.
Yeah. Isn't it supposed to like keep you full too or something? I don't know. No.
I just like the ASMR of it.
ASMR, babe. Really? Chia seeds?
Yeah.
Okay.
The sound of it. Go ahead.
Go girl, thank you. And look y'all, I got these Reese's out right beside this healthy. Ain't I'm a hot mess. We keep it raw over here and uncut.
These blueberries doing out.
The blueberries, I was thinking of adding them, but it already has blueberries in it. And plus I don't want to make too much. Mom wants to add a banana, but we have frozen. We already have frozen. Yeah, we have to use this. This from Walmart too.
Yes.
Might as well add that.
Baby.
Add it in there. Good job, baby.
No more.
I'm gonna add in a little bit of juicy juice because it's 100%.
And no added sugar.
Go ahead, Faith. Let's see if you can do it. Yeah.
My wife juice.
Mom wants to add these. What is it?
The Greek Gods. Greek yogurt. It's strawberry flavored. Great source of probiotics. No artificial flavors. All taste, no tang. And I did get this from Walmart.
Cool. They said no tang, so Greek yogurt usually has a nasty tang. I noticed that. I don't like that tang.
Not this one.
No.
Go ahead, put 1 scoop in. There you go. Drop. He's like, looking good. Let's get it in. Come on, y'all.
What is it?
Hold on. Let me get it on.
Amen.
Go ahead and push the button.
This bucket?
Push power.
This?
Right there? Yeah. Okay. No, not 2 times. 1 time. Now push low.
What?
Oh, y'all jumping. Let me shake it. And Faith, they want to do taste tests. Y'all want to do taste tests? Yeah. Let's pour it up.
Pour it up. Love that consistency.
You like yours runnier or thicker?
I like it thick.
Look at this dude. He's going crazy thinking about this. Oh, look at Faith. She jumped in.
Yummy.
What'd you say?
Yummy.
It's yummy? Ooh.
I like bamboo.
You like it?
And apple juice.
Ooh. Give us a good start today. Healthy smoothie. How about you, Mom?
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
Ching, ching, ching,
Ching, ching, ching, ching, ching. Ching. Crazies.
Ooh. This is so good. Refreshing. I do taste a little chia.
Me too.
Yeah, I think as it sits, it's going to soften up too.
apple did its thing.
Okay,
All
Dole.
our little favorite fruits.
Go ahead and try that mix right there. And what's the name of the mix again?
Dole crafted smoothie blends.
The crafted smoothie blends. All popping up on the screens. Another video.
That's the video. Stay blessed and highly favored.
Peace out.